Are you ready to embark upon an exciting opportunity where your passion meets innovation and your workspace stretches far beyond your imagination? Well, look no further. We have not just one, but two remote opportunities for you. Join us as we jump into two remote opportunities with Starbucks, where the aroma of possibility fills the air and every cup is filled with opportunity. Let's explore what awaits you in the corridors of one of America's most beloved brands. Welcome to an opportunity with Starbucks. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel, Moneymakers. I'm thrilled to introduce you to these two incredible remote job opportunities with Starbucks. They will definitely ignite your passion and fuel your career path growth. Whether you're a seasoned professional seeking flexibility or a remote work enthusiast eager to join a global renowned brand, Starbucks has something special brewing just for you. The very first opportunity is an administrative assistant position. This job pays $23.37 to $39.88 an hour. That's really good. They're looking for an administrative assistant who can provide administrative support to one or more directors. So you'll be working with a group possibly of leaders. You will also be able to manage calendars as well as pay attention to the detail and organize them in an orderly fashion. You have to serve as the point of contact for the business unit and answer questions from time to time. You may be asked to organize, host, and facilitate activities such as team and cross-functional meetings, conferences, and department activities. This role requires that you utilize your advanced technical skills to create a dynamic role. You have to have the ability to be able to schedule executive, domestic, and international travel in compliance with the existing policies and procedures. So you have to be able to do that for the leaders and possibly those that are in the department as well. You would also be tasked with engaging with the executives, direct reports. So that will be the team of the directors or the leaders that you will be working with. You'll serve as a peer leader for the administrative team within the function. They would also like people that have adaptability, be able to collaborate and demonstrate confidence, composure, and professionalism. Customer service skill here is very important as well. They want you to be able to demonstrate a positive and can-do attitude, and they're looking for someone that is somewhat independent in their practice. You would also be expected to manage not only your time, but the time of others. The second opportunity is that of a coordinator. This particular role is a senior coordinator. The role pays $23.37 to $39.66 an hour as well. This role is 100% remote, and they are looking for someone that can gather content and prepare presentation materials to support the functional work. They want someone to meet with the department managers to coordinate meetings, assignments, and deadlines. In this role, you would also be tasked with serving as a knowledge resource for the department or the function. So you would be that point of contact for the department as well. You'd be expected to organize and maintain a filing system and update region project tracking systems to ensure accurate reporting. So this is like a step up from the previous role. Here you're also going to be scheduling and arranging business travel for the department as well. You will definitely also be providing calendar support to the leaders. They're looking for someone with some project-related support experience, as well as experience with role performing administrative assistant or coordinated job functions. They want you to have some office administration experience and customer service. They're expecting for you to know Microsoft Office. So that's the Office suite. So they want you to know, they didn't say that you had to be an expert, but you definitely have to be proficient with Microsoft Office. They want you to understand possibly how to use Excel and or other spreadsheet applications, as well as Adobe InDesign. Although is preferred, is not mandatory for the Adobe InDesign. They want you to be a strong, driven, organized person with self-management skills. Technology, they want you to definitely have those skills that we talked about from Microsoft and virtual tools, and they want you to be able to manage time. Working for Starbucks is an opportunity to work for a global organization that pride themselves with a mission statement. With every cup, with every conversation, with every community, we nurture the limitless possibilities of human connection. This is a huge opportunity for you to also hone in on their value, which is to craft as well as courage others. They embrace the difficult conversations with respect to make us better, making the company better. They're results driven, as well as they want to provide a sense of belonging whereby you are heard and you connect with transparency and warmth, and that there's joy. They believe heavily in the culture of inclusion, and they're committed to upholding a culture where inclusion, diversity, equity, and accessibility are valued. Starbucks takes training and development very seriously. They are dedicated to working with each of their employees and engage them and invest in their development on a personal and a professional level. They provide a battery of different types of opportunities for their employees to actually learn. Within the company, you have the opportunity to work on the retail side as well as in the corporate roles. There are also opportunities available in manufacturing and distribution, as well as in the production and kitchen. They provide healthcare coverage, stocks, 401k, as well as financial well-being opportunities and benefits for you. With those 401k opportunities, they also will do some matching. They do a discounted stock plan for their employees, and they have a student loan management benefit available to you as well. In addition to that, they provide paid time off for you to take those much needed breaks and vacations. They also have paternal leave, whereby an employee can welcome a new child and have time off up to $10,000. They have different types of educational benefits. They even will provide you with a commuter benefit where they will actually give you a pass or reimburse you for work-related commuter expenses like a transit pass. They work directly with their partners and they have an assistant program, not to mention all of the different types of perks that they have available to you should you decide to work with them. Perks such as coffee and tea markouts. They also have a 30% discount that you will be eligible for. They do a recognition program for their staff. They match gifts for any of the partners, individual contributions for finances. They have affiliate discounts, gyms, as well as daycare and dry cleaning benefits. They have a lot available for each of you when you decide to move forward and work for Starbucks. I hope this information has been very helpful for you. Go ahead and apply today and let me know how it goes for you. Until next time.